Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve a problem that even the most professional 2D animators come across while using Blender Grease Pencil to animate. You see, while creating a full-body rig, most animators will create the characters with broken joints. This might be a stylistic choice, or maybe you just don't have enough time. As you can see here, we have an arm grease pencil object. The arm, the forearm, and the hand each own their own separate layers. First, if we rotate the strokes, you will see that they are broken at the joints. To solve this, go to the arm layer, then Grease Pencil Options, then check Fade Inactive Layers. We then draw a circle in draw mode, then place it in the middle of the arm and the forearm. Scale it so that it touches at the points where the arm meets the forearm. Hold Ctrl to deselect, then delete the other half of the remaining points. Switch to Sculpt mode, then grab the fill color. Now, in Edit mode, select the forearm and bring it forward. Now, if you rotate it from the elbow, you will see that it's connected. We will have to do the same for the wrist. Go to Forearm layer, then check Fade Inactive Layers. Then draw the circle for the wrist joint, placing it at the points where the hand and the forearm meet. Delete the other half of the circle. Go to the hand layer, then bring the hand forward. Now it's time for rigging. Switch to Object mode, then go to Add, then select Armature, then select Single Bone. Switch to Edit mode, then check Names and In Front. Press Alt-F to flip the bone. Then press E to extrude for the forearm and the hand. Press F2 to name the bones. In order to parent the bones to the arm, switch to Object mode, then select the arm, then Shift-select the bones, then press Ctrl-P, select with empty groups. Select the arm, then assign each part to the corresponding bone name in the vertex group section. Now, test the rig in pose mode to see if it's working. After rotating the hand bone, you can still see that the wrist is still broken. This is because the joint of the wrist bone is not at the center of the wrist. To solve this, switch to Edit mode, then press Shift-H to hide the other layers. Then go to Add, Curve, then select the circle. Press R, X90 to rotate 90 degrees on the X-axis. Select the circle, then scale and place it so that it lines up with the outline of the wrist circle. Select the bone, then in Edit mode, press Alt-Z to switch into X-ray mode. If you go to Overlays, then check Origins, you can see the origin of the circle, which is this little white dot. Drag the node of the bone to the origin of the circle so that the point at which the arm and forearm bone connects is directly at the center of the circle. Test the rig in pose mode. Now, you can see that the hand is connected to the forearm. You can do the same for the elbow too, or the other joints in case they are also disconnected. So this is exactly the same way I make all of my characters. If you have a different way of doing this, please feel free to share in the comments section.